Hi guys, welcome to Healthspectra.com. "12 Ways to Revive Your Taste Buds." Have your taste buds been betraying you? If you have been suffering from a cold or cough, or even because of aging, the condition of lack of taste is quite popular and can affect one's overall sense of taste when you are eating food. Multiple reasons could be behind the condition. Apart from the general impacts of the cold and cough, there are a number of other factors that does have direct influence on the condition of the loss of taste, aging being one of the main ones. Were you familiar with the wide range of home remedies that work? For the most part, the home remedies directed for the cold and cough is enough to drive back the taste and get the taste bud receptors to work again. It is possible to cure the condition in no time. To help you with that, let us take a look at some of the best ones. Keep yourself hydrated. The very first and the most important factors that can help with this are to always keep yourself hydrated. If you have dry mouth, chances are that the same will impact the loss of taste. Castor oil. The active compound in the castor oil, ricinoleic acid, has been found to have beneficial impacts in restoring the taste bud functions because of the anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Garlic. Garlic is integrated with the active compound, allicin, which has been found to have beneficial impacts in helping with the condition of the loss of taste by getting rid of the cold and cough. Green tea. To fight off the cold, you need to ensure that you get the proper boost to your immunity, which can only be effective with the beneficial dose of green tea because of the catechins present in it. Ginger. Much like garlic, even ginger has been found to have beneficial impacts in warding off the condition of the cold and cough, especially when it comes round to the lack of taste. Lemon. Lemon is yet another one of the beneficial remedies that work amazingly, especially when you are trying to boost your own immunity for the best impacts on your health, to improve the condition more. Take steam. Cold and flu often tends to obstruct the respiratory tract, which often causes the loss of taste. For the best results, it is best suggested that you take steam and cover your head with a towel for results. Cayenne pepper. Yet another one of the beneficial remedies for loss of taste that works is cayenne pepper, which works because of the presence of the active compound, capsaicin, that cures the symptoms. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is yet another one of the beneficial remedies for the condition of the loss of taste that works amazingly when you apply it with some honey directly on the tongue and let it work. Peppermint. In order to boost your overall well-being, you need to boost your overall health, and the menthol in peppermint helps with just that in getting rid of the cold and flu by helping relieve the congestion. Curry leaves. Native to India, curry leaves are yet another one of the best remedies that help with the condition of the congestion, as well as the cold and flu, that you have been consistently suffering from. Eucalyptus oil. The best reason why eucalyptus oil works is because of the fact that it is integrated with beneficial antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties, which help relieve the cold and cough to regain taste. Which one of these would you opt for? Join our WhatsApp subscription for the latest health articles delivered right to your mobile devices. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep yourself updated.